Hello traders, we're back again with one more setup, which is NZDCAD this time. So we're going to talk about it, but first let's check the date and the time. So let's right click, refresh. It is currently 3:24 p.m. Tuesday, 5th of May 2026 in EST. So coming back to the chart, NZDCAD, we are on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, notice, right? So we were in downtrend, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. This time, no new low. Okay, this was your last new low, pullback, but it did not make a new low. Do you understand? So this low was not broken. So you might be in a small uptrend. Okay, so we might not go too much above, or we might go and take down this high. Okay, so we're gonna go long in NZDCAD for now. Okay, and we can enter long here, and I will book my profits manually, maybe here. Okay, we'll see when the time comes, right? But as we can see that this did not make a new low, so this downtrend seems to be over for now. We're gonna go long in NZDCAD, and I will record the video when I book my profits. Trade is long, maybe until here. So I'll keep you posted, and if you want these trades yourself before they actually happen, then you can join the program. You will find the link below this YouTube video, or maybe you are already watching this on the sales page. So if you want to make this kind of money, go and join the program. Otherwise, keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back here. So this is NZDCAD. We have taken our profits, and let's check the date and the time first. So refresh. Currently it is 7:49 a.m. Friday 15th of May 2026 in EST. However, we have taken our profits yesterday. I was very busy yesterday. And let's record the video now. Even though I'm not free, I'm just recording it. So I'll show you what happened. So NZDCAD, where are we? So here you can see 14th of May. This is the time of closing the trade, okay? And entry was at 8021 and exit was at 81239, almost 24. So we made 100 plus pips in this trade. We made 102 pips in this one. Okay, so let's come back here. I think we entered somewhere here, 8021, maybe which candle? This candle? This candle. Okay, so we entered somewhere here. I don't even remember when did I enter, maybe 10 days ago, I don't know. Okay, so we entered long here. Go and watch exactly at what time and which date did I take this trade in the first part of the video. And then we went up and we exited yesterday at this red candle. Okay, reason was quite simple. We were going to break this low. Okay, so we went up, consolidated, then there were two options only. Either we will go up, make a new high, or we'll come down. So we started coming down. That was my entry, that was my exit trigger, because if you remember, I said that I don't have any fixed take profit for this trade. I am going to exit manually in the beginning. Okay, that was the reason. That was the reason, because I told you, when you know the structure, when you know this is your low in the pullback, and then when this low is gonna break, then the trend will change. Okay, anyways, with long story short, we entered long here. We booked our profits right here. Okay, and I take too many trades, as you can see here. Too many means not blindly. Too many doesn't mean blindly. Okay, but you can see what do you see. Anyways, so that's it. If you want these setups and trades before they happen, we made 100 pips in this, by the way. You have seen it. Okay, 100 pips in a slow mover like NZDCAD. Okay, thank you later. Right, so if you want this for yourself, then go and join the program. You will find the link below my YouTube video, or maybe you are already in the sales page. If not, then just keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, take care.